the person who blows the whistle, are they safely protected? Are they properly guarded? Because that is another aspect. Anonymity is a key ingredient of a whistleblowing in a procedure or action. But whistleblowing and then the Freedom of Information Act, I think these two instruments, either as policy or as legislation, would help generally in furtherance of the anti-corruption objective of the federal government. But the rights of individuals must be protected. Investigation will help you to establish those who are probably complicit in the entire process. Not just everywhere. The news will hear on the radio, you mention this person's name, you mention these people. That's not how it can be done. Proper investigation is important to make sure that innocent people are not roped in and reputation soiled, because we are talking, but there are discoveries being made. That is key. So people are blowing whistles because this cash, these monies are not found where they are supposed to be.